This is the key of my NIO ET5. And this is another key of it. Using smartphone as car key is actually quite common for smart EV owners in China. But recently, I replaced my key with this. This is a NIO Phone, the flagship edition. It has a Snapdragon 8 second generation chip, 12GB RAM, 1TB storage, 3 50-megapixel cameras, and a 6.8-inch 2K Samsung E6 screen. Sadly, I'm not an expert on phones, so let's not focus on the phone itself. Instead, I'll show you the fun stuff. What can a smartphone made by a car company actually do? I'm Harris, you're watching Map EV. After installing a specific app, any smartphone with Bluetooth can be used as a key for smart EVs, even some e-bikes. But for a car to pinpoint the exact location of the phone, that phone must have ultra-wideband, or UWB in short, which is used in tracking devices like the Apple AirTag. The problem is that most phones with UWB do not allow car apps to use this technology. iOS is very unlikely to open that door, except for BMW. And Android needs to have certain agreement from car maker and phone maker. And this agreement often involves the sharing of user data between two companies, so the collaboration is also near impossible. And this is one of the reasons NIO wants to make its own phone, to open up all the functionalities on the phone for the car. And now with unrestricted UWB support, NIO's car can precisely locate the phone within a certain range. So it can automatically unlock a particular door for you or know which seat the phone is at. For me, the most significant improvement is that it can unlock the door every single time, because the Bluetooth on my old phone was indeed not very stable. Additionally, it can still act as a key for up to 48 hours after it runs out of battery. Just like Huawei and Link & Co., the center display can show what's on the phone. And it's not just simple mirroring, because the right half on the screen is using the computing power of the phone. And when you play some mobile game through the display, the Snapdragon chips behind these two screens can work together. What's more, some apps can use mic, speakers, and cameras in the car to improve the video call. Interestingly, all the existing apps are Office software. Yes, we work very hard. And if you have a second generation ES8, there's more. Because on the mid-center console at second row, there's a third wireless charger, specifically built for the NIO Phone. When you put it there, it becomes a second control screen. Remove it, the control is still working. Now this NIO Phone is just like that detachable control display in the back of Audi A8. The difference is that this can also make phone calls. The ability to remotely monitor and control the vehicle using a smartphone is also a feature that most car apps can achieve. However, the distinctive feature of NIO Phone is that it has a convenient shortcut on the side for quickly accessing the vehicle control interface. And you can even use the phone's voice command to control the car remotely. Sadly, if you are speaking English, it can understand you but can't execute. Additionally, the car's navigation can work more seamlessly with the phone. Not only can it display your destination in the phone directly on the infotainment screen, but can also retrieve information from your phone's clipboard and navigate. Because my car just upgraded to the latest BIOS system that supports the phone last night, I have to do more exploring in the future. Stay tuned for more. Lately, in the Chinese auto industry, there's a saying, a car company that can't make smartphones is not a good one, and vice versa. While this statement isn't widely accepted yet, we've seen Huawei working closely with car makers, Xiaomi investing heavily to make its own cars, and Geely even buying a mobile phone company to improve its smart cockpit. Compared to these, NIO is not as large in scale. Entering the smartphone market now may seem like a costly decision, especially during this period. But to achieve a true and seamless car-to-phone integration is to build a complete smart product ecosystem. And this is the only way to ensure long-term success in making smart cars. Let me ask you a question in the end. Do you think making this phone is the right thing to do for NIO? If so, should Tesla also make smartphones? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.